Precision, safety, and control, all in the palm of your hand. Today, we're taking a look at a tool that has become a permanent fixture in our studio, the Sixth Finger Stiletto from Colonial Needle Company. For many sewists, guiding fabric through a machine often requires a bit of improvisation, even using long acrylic nails as makeshift tools. But when it's time for a more durable, professional solution, the Sixth Finger Stiletto steps in as the ultimate extra hand for your workspace. Its primary role is simple but essential, acting as an extension of your fingers. When feeding small pieces, starting tricky seams, or working near a fast-moving needle, the Sixth Finger Stiletto provides the nudge you need. It keeps fabric flat and precisely aligned while keeping fingers safely out of harm's way, a must-have for slippery silks or bulky, multi-layered seams. The tip is engineered for accuracy. Whether you're easing in a curve or sewing through dense material, the sharp point offers a level of control that manual guiding just can't match. Beyond the sewing machine, this tool excels in English paper piecing. We've all dealt with the struggle of glue basting, sticky fingertips touching the front of beautiful fabrics. By using the stiletto's flat prong to fold fabric over the templates, the edges stay crisp and the glue stays exactly where it belongs, on the paper, not on the maker. That flat prong is surprisingly versatile, making it easy to press open tiny seams or hold delicate applique in place without the bulk of a finger in the way. This isn't a tool that stays hidden in a drawer. It lives in the machine tray for a reason. From helping feed dogs grab a difficult edge to holding a label for those final stitches, it's the first thing we reach for every single day. The Sixth Finger Stiletto by Colonial Needle Company is proof that the simplest tools are often the most indispensable. It's about more than just safety. It's about the confidence to sew with total precision. You can find the Sixth Finger Stiletto and other essential notions at the link in the description below.